Friends, today I am continuing the chapter linear equation 2 variables, chapter number 5, exercise 5a. Already I have completed number 1 to 15 serially I have completed. Today I am continuing the exercise 5a from number 16 number. Okay. Your chapter name is linear equation 2 variables, that is simultaneous linear equation from the book Innovative Math Books. Okay. Just you see Innovative Math Books. And number 16. See the question number 16, it is given 2x minus 3y equal to minus 8. Second equation given x minus y is equal to 1 given. You have to solve the equation by elimination method. Okay. For the elimination method, you have to make the equal y. Therefore, equation 1 into 1, you are getting 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 8. And equation 2 into 3. This will be 3x minus 3y is equal to 3. Okay, just to subtract, sign will be changed. This will be minus, plus, and this is minus. Cancel. 2x minus 3 is minus 6. Minus 8 minus 8, this will be minus 11. Finally, you are getting x is equal to 11. Now put the value of x, any one equation. I am writing from equation 1. From equation 2 you can do also, from equation 2. It is your choice where you put the value of x. X minus y is equal to 1 given. 11 minus y is equal to 1. Therefore, y will be how much? 10. This is the answer you are getting. And question number 16, x is equal to 11 and y is equal to 10. Let us go next number. Let's see. Next number I am doing number 17. Question given x by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 11. This is equation number 1. And equation number 2 given 5x by 6 minus y by 3 equal to minus 7. Okay. And you have to solve for x and y by any method. I am doing by elimination method. Before going to elimination, you see here y by 4 given, here y by 3 given. If you multiply here 1 by 3, that means equation 1 into 1 by 3. This will be x by 9 plus y by 12, and this is 11 by 3 after multiplication. Equation 2 into 1 by 4 multiplied. This will be 5x by 24 minus y by 12 is equal to minus 7 by 4. Now you add. After addition, what you will get here? This will be cancelled out. X by 9, 5x by 24 is equal to 11 by 3 minus 7 by 4. So what is the LCM of 9 and 24? Just write the LCM. 72 LCM. LCM will be 72. 9 8 that means 8x. 24 3 is 72. 3 5 is 15x. LCM will be here 12. And this will be 44 minus 21. Okay. Now this can be cancelled. 12 6 is 72. How much are you getting? 8x plus 15x. I am doing here 8x plus 15x. This will be 23x. And this will be 6 is multiplied that side. 6 whole into 44 minus 21, that is coming 23. 23 coming. Now x will be how much? 23 will be cancelled, x equal to 6. After getting the value of x equal to 6, you can put in equation 1 or 2, your choice. Okay, just see. I am putting the value of x that you got, x equal to 6 in equation 1. Equation 1, it is given x by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 11. We got the value of x here 6, that means 6 by 3. Plus y by 4 equal to 11. 6 by 3 means this will be 2. That means y by 4 is equal to 2. Take that side, 11 minus 2, 9. Therefore, y will be 9 4 36. In this way, we are getting the value of x, that is x equal to 6 and y equal to 36. We have solved the question number 17 by elimination method. See the question number 18 it is given. Question number 18. I am writing next question. Question number 18 it is given. Question number 18 given x by 4 x by 4 plus y by 5 is equal to 1. This is equation number 1. Second equation given x by 5 plus y by 4 is equal to 2. This is the question number 18. 18 I am doing question given like this. See here, if you follow elimination method, you have to make y equal. Here y by 5, but here y by 4. If you take LCM, it will be better as you like. Equation 1 into 1 by 4. Then this will be x by 16 plus y by 20 equal to 1 by 4. Then equation 2 into 1 by 5. This will be x by 25 plus y by 20. This will be 2 by 5. Okay. Now subtract. Sign will change. This will cancel out. X by 16 minus x by 25 is equal to 1 by 4 minus 2 by 5. Now tell me what is the LCM of 16 into 25? LCM will be 16 into 25. You have to take LCM 16 into 25, and this side it will be 4 into 5. Just have to multiply. I'm keeping. You have to apply rough copy. This will be 25x minus 16x, and this will be 5 minus, this will be 5 minus 8. Now see, you have to apply common sense here. Without calculator you can do here. This 5 25 you can cancel denominator again. 4 16. See, more easily you can solve it. 25x minus 16x, it is coming 9x. By 4 is by 20, 4 into 5, 20 will be that side multiply 20 whole into 5 minus 8, that is minus 3. After that you find out the value of x. How? 20 into minus 3 divided by 9. 3 3 is 9. That means you are getting minus 20 by 3. Minus 20 by 3 the value of x. Okay. Next we have to find out the value of y. Putting the value of x minus 20 by 3 in equation 1. Just see. See, we are taking from equation 1 and putting the value of x, that is minus 20 by 3 you got. X by 4 plus y by 5 is equal to 1. What is the value of x you got? Minus 20 by 3. So finally it will be, this will be minus 4 5 is 20. That means minus 5 by 3 plus y by 5 is equal to 1. Now y by 5 is equal to 1 plus 5 by 3. Then this will be, y will be how much? This will be 3 plus 5, 18 by 3 into 5. Therefore y you are getting 40 by 3. Okay. This will be 13, 13 3 is 39, 13 1 by 3. Value of y you got 13 1 by 3, and x you got minus 20 by 3, and x is equal to minus 20 by 3, which is nothing but minus 6 2 by 3, making mixed fraction. The answer of number 18 completed. Let us go next number. Just see. See the question number 19, it is given 1 by 7x plus 1 by 6y equal to 3. Second equation given 1 by 2x minus 1 by 3y is equal to 5. Do one thing here. You have to apply elimination method to make it equal y, multiply 2 in equation 1. Equation 1 into 2. If I multiply 2, what will you get here? 2 by 7x. If I multiply 2 here, this will be 1 by 3y. So this is 6. Then same thing, equation 2 into 1. This will be 1 by 2x minus 1 by 3y is equal to 5. Now add. If you add the equation, what will you get here? Plus 1 by 3y minus 1 by 3y, it will cancel out. The 2 by 7x plus 1 by 2x, and this is 6 plus 5, 11. What is the LCM of 7x and 2x? That will be 7 to 14x LCM. and this side it will be 4x, this is 7x equal to 11. So this will be 4 plus 7 because LCM is 14x. 14x is divided by 7, this will come 2 to the 4, and here 7 coming, 4 plus 7, 11. 11 by 14x equal to 11. So 11 cancel out. 11 by 14x is equal to 11. Therefore x will be how much? X will be 11 cancelled. 11 x is equal to 1 by 14. Okay, x is equal to 1 by. Just the next number. Putting the value of x in equation 1. Equation 1 what is given? 1 by 7x plus 1 by 6y equal to 3. What is the value of x you got? 1 by 14. Put here 7 into 1 by 14, that will be 1 by 2. That means indirectly 2 will go up. 2 plus 1 by 6y is equal to 3. So finally 1 by 6y is equal to 3 minus 2, that is 1. Therefore y will be 1 by 6. So what is the value of y you got? 1 by 6. Therefore final answer is right. X is equal to 1 by 14 and y is equal to 1 by 6. In this way you are getting the value of x and y. Okay. This is the answer of number 19. Last number I am doing number 20. Just see. See the question number 20. It is given 1 by x plus 1 by y equal to 5. And second equation given 3 by x plus 2 by y equal to 12. Do one thing, equation 1 multiply by 3. Equation 1 into 3 if I do here, this will be 3 by x plus 3 by y is equal to 15. Now equation 2 into 1 to make it equal x. Then this will be 3 by x plus 2 by y. What is given, that you have to write only. No change because you are multiplying 1. Now you have to subtract. The sign will change here. This will be cancelled. 3 by y minus 2 by y, that will be 1 by y. 15 minus 12, that is 3. So finally you are getting y is equal to how much? Therefore y is equal to 1 by 3. In this way you are getting the value of y by the method elimination. Now putting the value of y in equation 1. In equation 1 means from equation 1. From equation 1 it is given 1 by x plus 1 by y. That means 1 by y you got how much? 3. Right here 3 equal to 5. Therefore 1 by x is equal to how much? 2. Finally x equal to how much? Therefore x is equal to, so this implies x is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. So what is the answer you are getting? One got x equal to 1 by 2, another y equal to 1 by 3. In this way you have completed up to 20 by the method elimination method. The equation given and you solve by elimination method. Thank you for today's class.